Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. So let's come to open interest analysis. First we'll check the chart. Has expected everything moved in the same range. What I have earlier discussed yesterday, the same thing happened. We'll conclude with yesterday's what I said. 15-minute time frame will take. So what I said yesterday, even if it open gap down, it will come up and it will do time pass. It will be in a range bound only for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Whereas Nifty was little bit bullish while compared to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was in a range bound only. Whereas Nifty was bit aggressively moved up. So what happened today? What the big player did today? We'll check the open interest. So FII have increased their call buying by 27,000. So they were holding 1,36,000. Now they increased 27,000. So it became 1,63,000. Sorry. And input they were already holding 2,83,000 contracts. Now they have decreased long unwinded by 7,000. 2,76,000 contract they are still holding this. And in future index they have reduced the long by 9 percentage and increased the short by 9 percentage. So the short is 84% and long is 16 percentage. So there is something big going to happen. So for this 16 percentage long and short 64 percentage, and even they have not hedged anything, they also holding a very huge quantities of put buying. They even have a call buying, but comparing to call buying they have a put buying. This is a net amount. So they are very much bearish in both the sector, future index and option index contract. Whereas the percentage of stock futures, there are little bit bullish, like 61 percentage they are holding it and 39 percentage they are shorting the stocks in futures. And while coming to client is holding the same position. They are very much bullish in future index and in option. What they did, they have increased the long build up by 59,000. So they were earlier holding 1,26,000. Now it becomes 1,86,000 call buying. And input, they were holding 1,64,000 shorts. So they have also increased the short by 3,000 quantity. 3,000 contracts, that is now it is 1,67,000 contracts. So they are bullish in put and also bullish in call and also bullish in future index and also bullish in stock future percentage. 83 percentage long they did and shorted only 7 percentage. They are very much bullish. If tomorrow market open higher or even it's open anywhere, it went up, so the trend will be upside, then this client, the retailers, will be booking a huge profit tomorrow. If market falls hugely, then this client are dead. While coming to promoters, promoter are also increase the future index long by 12% and decrease the shorts by 12 percentage. So they have become little bit positive here. Simultaneously, they also have shorted the call here. They have hedged their position. They have shorted the call by 86,000 contracts. They were earlier holding 2,64,000. Now it became 3,50,000. So they hedged this position and also they were holding a positive side, that is put shorted 1,56,000. Now they have 1,46,000. It means 10,000 unwinded. They have booked the profit 10,000 contracts in put writing. In stock percentage, they are holding 61 percentage long and short by 13, and they're also little bit positive in this sector, in this segment. So see what they did, little bit positive here, shorted here. This is negative figure. This all is a hedging position and carrying a future positive position. And while coming to the cash flow, FII has sold 851 crores and DII purchased 847 crores. Promoter sold 18 crores and client also sold for 152 crores. PCR was 1 for Nifty. Month end is 1.01. This is neutral. Bank Nifty is 0.072. It's unsold, oversold, oversold. So if something has to come, it has to come from Bank Nifty tomorrow. Nifty anyhow it's a neutral. Nifty also can lead the market. If on a positive side I am telling. So we'll check open interest for Nifty. Anyhow, I forgot to tell. Anyhow, OI PCR, we won't be checking this for tomorrow. Tomorrow there is a month end expiry. On expiry, this will not work. Put call ratio. So coming to Nifty, OI build up. What happened today? So there was a call buying here, huge call buying. They all ran today because market has not moved violently. 16,250, 16,300, this all have ended up their longs. Anyhow, here the put writers are sitting very strongly. 15,800 is a very good support. 15,800 will become support. 15,700 also, 15,600 and 15,500. This all are very positive. The put sellers are sitting. They are the put writers, not making the market to fall more. And here 16,000 is a very big and a huge call writing. It will be a very big resistance to break it out. Same thing we can see short covered, all short covered, 15,600 short covered input. This is from the promoters. They have covered the shorts. And what we can see some put buying from here 15,650 to 15,800. We are seeing some call buy, sorry, put buying here. Also short build up is also here 15,700. And long unwinded, this all are the long unwinded. So mainly what I can see from this is there is not much call buying. Rather we have a shorts input. It means they are taking the market up, but I don't see any call buying here much. We'll see for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is trading at 33,269, 33,270. So all short buildups, maximum all the short buildups are created on the call side. And here we have seen so much of buying, input buying is going on. So what will happen to, what is the possibilities? Anyhow, today we have a very big event in US, that is GDP data quarter one result. So that matters a lot. That's why I guess if I have created so much of shorts in futures. So what can happen if it's a gap down? If it's a very huge gap down and that gap down he is not sustained, then we can see a very big fall. And if it's a very big gap up, anyhow it's a big gap up, it will try to come little bit down, take the resistance or support anything here, and it will move up. And if it's open flat, then it will be in this range only, and in the second half we can see a very big move. So this is for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty also same. If it's open very gap down, if it is not sustain the gap down, then it will fall a more. And if it's a gap down sustained, try to come up, so we can see a little bit of very good move here till this resistance we can see. And if it's a flat, it will be in this range. On the second half we can see either side of the move. And if it's a very big gap up, it will try to come here and it will take the support, then again it will move up. So we'll see tomorrow where the market opens. Anyhow, tomorrow is a month end expiring. So guys, take care of your capital. Don't lose it out. I suggest not to trade much. Keep your position very less. Trade accordingly. So we'll see the Dow Jones. As of now, everything looks little bit of positiveness we can see in Dow Jones, not a big move. Same for the Nasdaq also. This will react after 12 IST midnight. VIX, India VIX is 21.9. This is good for the buyers, option buyers. And what do I have to share today? Dow Jones. So that's it, guys. So take care of your funds. Happy expiry. I wish everyone book a very good profit tomorrow. Take care. Good night. Bye.